it straight, honestly, I'm really just rapping. On our grandma got fans and they love me. On our grandma got haters, they hate me. They say that this nigga a fucking nerd. Wonder why they seeing me lately. Wonder why they bitch wanna date me. Wonder why they cannot escape me. Wonder why some goofy nigga on the internet richer than them with brace teeth.
Get him.
What you on, fuck it up. Get in records, I fuck with my bucks. Say you want me, then you out of luck. Baby girl, you out of luck. Anti-social, never join the club. Like who invite me to the club. Put your sexy don't wanna try me, girl. Nah, that ain't enough. Don't fuck with you, I'm gon' fuck it up. Get in records, I fuck with my bucks. Say you want me, then you out of love. Baby girl, you out of love. Anti-social, never join the club. Now you who invite me to the club. Put your sexy don't wanna try me, girl. Nah, that ain't enough. Swear, life change quick. Some niggas gotta keep that blick, can't control. If you broke, I'm born rich. If you in a situation, nigga, deal with it. Ha, bet you ain't made that clear. Nigga, see, little take on your skin ain't clear. Rewind a few times on the floor real quick. Man, I see, nigga, I was known for this. You immature, I know. This young nigga real quick soul with it. Niggas will refuse.